Hi YouTube. Today's tech tip is on MIG guns and liners. So we have two different MIG guns here, an 8.5 foot with a Teflon liner and a 10 foot with a steel liner. And I'm going to show you what the difference is and what you need what product for. So we're taking the wire retaining nut off here. And out comes the liner. When you look in there really close, you see the one is an all plastic Teflon liner, the other one is a red plastic coated steel spiral liner. At some point the plastic coating ends because of the heat, and the last foot or two is just the bare steel liner. And what is important, the size of the liner. The size of the liner has to match the size of the wire that you're planning on running through. There's different liners for different wire diameters. The liner also is a wear item. Over time it gets clogged up with wire shavings and dirt and dust that was sitting on top of the wire spool and now gets fed into the liner and deposits there. And then a bad liner acts just like a bad tip that's on its way out. And if you already replaced 2 or 3 tips and the machine is still not welding right, take a close look at the liner. For different materials you need different liners. For aluminum, for example, a Teflon or graphite liner is the best choice to assure smooth wire feeding. Also, the shorter gun will help to feed the softer aluminum wire, where steel wire can be fed through longer guns. That's today's tech tip, brought to you by HTP America Inc.